Hello everyone! In today's video, I have an incredible strategy that involves using OpenAI and ChatGPT to earn money online and generate passive income. I will demonstrate how you can earn anywhere from $4,000 to $4,500 per month using ChatGPT and eventually start earning tens of thousands of dollars, up to $50,000 per month. I will provide proof of individuals who are already making money using this method. But what I want to do is take it one step further and show you how you can use ChatGPT to do all the work for you. You'll be amazed by how easy this is and how passive it is. ChatGPT will bring in all the traffic for you, so you won't have to look for any of it. You won't believe how incredible this is, but to see the whole process step by step, you need to watch this entire video. If you miss any part of it, you may miss out on some essential information. As a sign of appreciation, I kindly ask you to hit the like button and leave a comment down below stating your income goal for 2023. Do you want to make $100, $500, or $1,000 per day? Now before we begin, let me provide you with some proof of how people are using this method in different countries. I will also show you how we will be using Google and another website, Udemy.com, to make this happen. Udemy is a website where individuals like myself can purchase different courses. The creators of these courses are earning thousands of dollars, if not millions of dollars per month. I have learned many skills, such as YouTube, affiliate marketing, and course creation, on Udemy. I will show you how you can make money using ChatGPT and Udemy in a passive manner. On Udemy, you will see different categories such as development, business, personal development, lifestyle, health and fitness, and teaching and academic. There is a lot of information available, and I will show you how you can take advantage of it. Let me show you how ChatGPT can help you tap into endless opportunities within different categories and subcategories. Before I reveal a website that shows how much course creators earn on Udemy, let's start with affiliate marketing as an example. I am a big fan of affiliate marketing, and it constitutes a major portion of my income. When you search for affiliate marketing courses on Udemy, you can explore the different types of courses and see how they are presented. In addition to the course content, another important aspect to consider is the number of people who have purchased the course. For instance, a ClickBank affiliate marketing course has received 8,725 reviews and is currently priced at almost $50. However, Udemy may lower the price or even give it away for free to boost ratings. While it's impossible to know exactly how much the course creator has made, we can estimate their potential earnings based on the number of reviews. For example, assuming a course is priced at $80, with half of the reviews, 4,600 people, taken into account, the creator could potentially earn $230,000 or even more. Remember, not everyone who takes a course leaves a review. By scrolling down, you can see more course creators and their offerings. By using a website that I'll soon reveal, you can enter your areas of interest and discover how much course creators are making on Udemy. For example, if you type in affiliate marketing, you'll see that the top monthly revenue for affiliate marketing courses on Udemy averages about $4,000. The wonderful thing about the approach I'm about to present in this video is that you can make use of ChatGPT, establish an affiliate marketing program, and apply it to any of the nations or categories that I will discuss or that you may be interested in or have expertise in. You have the flexibility to create as many courses as you wish, ranging from 10 to 50 or more. If you decide to focus on affiliate marketing, you can anticipate earning around $2,000 per month. As you can observe, some affiliate marketing courses on Udemy generate up to $4,082 in monthly revenue. Moving on to the other option, let's consider Canva. Numerous individuals are eager to learn about Canva's various features and functionalities. As you peruse the results, you'll notice numerous Canva course offerings, such as this one priced at $80 or $30, with over 2,000 reviews. As you continue scrolling down, you will come across numerous individuals selling a variety of Canva courses. For instance, this person has received 5,700 reviews, and another has 717. By visiting the website that I mentioned earlier, you will find that creators of these Canva courses can make as much as $5,500 per month. This is a great way to earn passive income. You can create your content once and upload it to Udemy. Then you can sit back and watch people buy your course without doing anything else. Of course, you can always come back and improve your course later. I also wanted to explore another niche. Another opportunity I want to mention is related to Excel. Although some people believe it's easy and there are many tutorials available online, the truth is that there is a huge demand for Excel courses. You can see this by looking at the fact that 366,000 people have purchased this course at an average price of $80. If you keep scrolling down on the website, you will find creators like Layla Garani, who has a YouTube channel and sells various Excel courses. She makes millions of dollars using this strategy, and her courses are also priced at $80. Now I want to show you a website called udemy.com/instructor/marketplace-insights. If you search for this website on Google and click on the first link, you will be taken to a page where you can browse different categories, such as Excel. By scrolling down, you can see that people who create courses on Excel are making an average of $50,000 per month. So if you are interested in creating Excel courses, there is a huge potential to make a significant income. The potential earnings in the course market are staggering, and the best part is that it's passive income. So how can you leverage ChatGPT to tap into this market and start earning money online? Here are a few ways to get started. First, create an account on Udemy using your Google account. Then begin searching for categories in which you can create courses. With options such as development, business, finance and accounting, IT and software, personal development, and more, the possibilities are endless. For instance, if you click on health and fitness, you'll find subcategories such as meditation, dance, yoga, sports, fitness, and more. Let's assume you wanted to do anything with Pilates after that. You would select Pilates. You examine the many existing courses to see with whom you could be in competition. When you want to see how much money individuals are truly making from this, you head over to their website. The first thing I'm going to do is scroll down and let's look at meditation. Let's imagine you choose to enroll in a meditation course. Udemy excels at recommending popular subjects to you. You can do sound therapy, mindfulness, yoga, energy healing, etc. Thus, further, you might make a huge, excellent course covering all of these popular topics. But we must guarantee that this course brings in at least $2,000 each month. You just head over to the website I'll be showing you in a moment, scroll down here, type in meditation, click enter, and then scroll down to look at this. As you can see, meditation generates approximately $2,300 in revenue each month on its own. For course creators that are creating courses on meditation, I think you should absolutely take anything above $2,000 into consideration. Why? Because numerous of these courses can be created. When you go to Udemy, as I just shown, you can see that when you get to the categories and you get to the health and fitness and meditation sections, you have all these popular subjects to pick from, like sound therapy, mindfulness, and other options. After you arrive here and locate the course you want to create, you should proceed as follows. We now like to request that ChatGPT build a course on meditation for us. Thus, what we want to do right now is go to ChatGPT. After you're on this page, what you want to do, guys, is come over here and paste this in. Write an outline for a meditation course if that's what you want to do. Once you've entered that, head over here and click on this tiny arrow. When you click that arrow, ChatGPT will start to create the course outline for your meditation lesson. Allowing these to finish is what we want to accomplish right now. As soon as this is finished, you should start splitting up this lesson. You'll consider it to be a course. As an example, you might claim that the introduction to meditation is the first thing you have here. The definition and explanation for meditation follows. Then there are things like the benefits of meditation. Hence, you may come over here and proceed to do this for each and every point. You're going to start by deconstructing each and every one of these ideas as you type in and develop a script for a lecture on the advantages of meditation. I won't follow through on every suggestion though. I just want to lay out for you exactly what you must accomplish and how we will put this course together. So you come over here and the next thing you want to do is click on this tiny arrow. This will now result in the creation of a separate point for us that will focus solely on the advantages of meditation. And you'll be able to see it when you scroll down here. You can see that he organized a group for us to learn about the advantages of meditation. And this is now producing this. This falls within this little subgroup of this, and you'll follow this procedure for each and every one of these points. And I can assure you that this course will be absolutely great. What we need to do now, though, is that I want to demonstrate how we're going to put this together before I show you the third of these points. We're going to use Google, namely Google Slides, to do this, as I have mentioned. You should thus visit Google and enter Google Slides. And what you intend to do is establish a personal account. You will be sent to a screen that looks like this if you create an account for yourself. The next thing you want to do is click on a blank page. For this presentation, Google Slides will be used. Then, what we can do is record this as we read it out. If you'd want, you can use an artificial voice, hire someone to use a voice, or use your own voice. Now that we have this Google slide and you are aware that you will be utilizing Google Slides, let's move on to what you want to achieve. You should inform ChatGPT that you wish to organize this part into a Google Slides presentation. After you've got them, all you have to do is copy and paste, and ChatGPT will handle the rest. And how it will break down it for you. As you can see, we've just created a lesson plan on the advantages of meditation. In order to transform the script into a slide presentation, you need scroll down, click on this, press Command+V or Control+V if you're using Windows, and then paste. Then what you want to do, guys, was to click on this small portion. This will result in the division of the information into a slide presentation. All the work is being done for you by this. Now keep in mind that the first thing you'll need to do is complete this portion, which requires you to create an outline for the meditation course. You now have this outline. Then, using one of the outlines that we divided up as an example, you're going to break them down. You're going to divide them all up. When it has been deconstructed, you will tell the robot to convert the script into a slide presentation. It will require some effort on your part to put things together once you have completed this job. This is nonetheless passive. You will continue to get passive money after this is available on Udemy. All that's left to do is return to ChatGPT and request the creation of further courses. If you've been enjoying the video so far, I kindly request two things in return. Firstly, please hit the like button as a show of your appreciation. And secondly, make sure to subscribe to the channel to avoid missing out on more exciting content that I have planned for you. Now guys, the next thing we need to do is take these titles we made. As an example, the first one would be copied if we were to title the course Introduction to Meditation. All we have to do is put this in here. It's a really simple copy that goes right back to our Google Slides. You only need to paste that, then center this. Now what we need to do is expand this in size, okay? There, we can get rid of that one. For instance, we might come over here and turn this black and turn this white. Highlight Introduction to Meditation, and then, for demonstration purposes, click on Bold. You only have to come over here, guys, and click on the new slide. We simply need to return to ChatGPT as soon as you click on the new slide because, as you can see, we now have a slide presentation. Advantages of Meditation, then, is the title. What I accomplished, in my opinion, was an introduction to meditation. It's alright, you guys are free to select whatever title you choose. After that, as soon as we get over here, we want to put something like Introduction to the Topic of Meditation and Aims of the Presentation. To reduce stress slide, you can see that it will really divide this out for you from there. The title is on slide 1, which is the first one. Okay, then of course you can put this down the bottom as well if you'd want. If we wanted to, we could simply duplicate this as an example. Come back right here, cross over to the top, guys, and paste it in. Guys, all you have to do is come right over here when you come over to slide 2, where I'll be showing you how to accomplish this very briefly. Hence, stress reduction will definitely be covered on slide 2. Copy this then, return right away to this area. This has to be pasted in. Then, all we have to do is return immediately to ChatGPT, where we just need to copy this. Now that we've copied this, you want to come over here and paste it. Once you've fixed it, it will look like this. Moreover, keep in mind to just clean them all up because it might get laborious. Yet it goes without saying that you correct this. The title is over here, and after it comes stress reduction. As a result, we may reduce stress using this as an example. Now, beneath each and every one of these tiny points that you have, you could very easily just ask ChatGPT to give you a little bit more information about this. As a result, in addition to the first slide, which is the introduction, there are also slides 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And as you can see, it has all the necessary information. The full script or lecture on the benefits of meditation is something else you have authored. This part, which includes slides 1 through 5, is precisely what is shown below under these slides. You may easily just copy a portion of this, return to your slide under here, tap this down, and then paste it in by pressing Command-V or Control-V if you're using Windows. So this will offer them a little more information about what you are putting in here specifically. Okay, Hence, it just separates the information and provides a great deal more. Okay, as you can see, you may simply select what you want. Hence, if any words are missing, just add them, and you'll understand what was meant. You've got a little bit of an abbreviated, but you may also make this full course by simply adhering to ChatGPT's instructions and doing so exactly as given. It's really that easy. Once you guys have finished reading everything here and have all the knowledge you need in any particular niche, you need to put this entire course together. And you need to film this information in order to achieve it. All of this needs to be captured on camera. Using the program OBS Studio is among the greatest methods to achieve this. Okay, just enter it into Google will do. Visit us here. This will be brought up. This is entirely without charge. You will be able to screen capture and screen record with this. Also, you may get an inexpensive microphone if you already own one. You may utilize your laptop's built-in microphone, which you already have, as an example. So all you have to do is begin at page 1 and work your way down, recording each scene as you go. The fact that you can actually play these slideshows, or say it has that one, is also a plus. After that, all you have to do is tab across to bring them up. It will therefore record each time you make the first point, each time you make the second point, etc. And this is how you'll construct the simple course that you may publish on Udemy. And as I previously said, there are opportunities for you to earn money online with ChatGPT on Udemy. The world is open to you. You should visit ChatGPT right away and play around with it to see what you can make, which is what I urge you to do. Of course, I can't cover everything in a short video. To make this look fantastic, you'll need to put all the puzzles and pieces together once I've shown you precisely how to assemble it. You start off by doing that. The second point is that I strongly advise you to visit Udemy to view various course kinds and the precise organization of these courses. There are several completely free courses available on Udemy. You can then see how they are organized. Several of the Udemy courses I've purchased are entirely made up of PowerPoint or Google Slides presentations. There are no faces revealed, simply a series of points that are incredibly well taught. The second thing I would like you to do is visit Udemy and look at these courses. Undoubtedly, this page over here is the third website, udemy.com/instructor/marketplace-insights, and check out the possible earnings from these various courses. Hence, you are not creating a course on a subject that won't bring in a lot of money. Guys, the next thing I want you to do is to press the like button and subscribe to the channel in appreciation, because I've got some more fantastic stuff heading your way. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more similar content. Also, don't hesitate to leave your feedback or suggestions in the comment section below. We appreciate your support and can't wait to see you in the next video. This is That AI Ninja signing off.